Hey guys, welcome back to Sky Talks Trading. Today we're going to talk about the best oil stock to buy. So Friday was somewhat of an eventful day with a pretty disappointing November labor report and also an agreement coming from OPEC members regarding oil. The group has basically decided on a larger than expected production cut, which obviously sparked a rally in crude oil prices in early Friday trading. And, this initial rally makes sense given that supply is seemingly coming out of the market, and then in turn demand is there to elevate prices. These Friday oil prices, which I'm talking about, were holding onto steady gains of just under 4% for the session. Of course, that's given a big lift to energy stocks, even as the VanEck Vectors Oil Services ETF, the OIH, and also the Energy Select Sector, XLE, are both off their highs. So, it begs the question for individual investors, is now the time to get long? The commodity has been in an extended downtrend for roughly 10 weeks, which has been causing selling pressure in many energy stocks. And, it's left people both skittish and, searching for that golden opportunity. So that's why we're talking about BP PLC. And, it's a hard one not to like. Let's start with one of its most attractive qualities, the dividend. BP pays out a solid 6.2% dividend yield. Not that a 6% payout isn't attractive during calm markets, but especially comforting to have in a volatile market like the one we're in at the moment. Given that management recently raised its dividends earlier this year, this adds confidence to the safety of BP's payout. It also helps protect investors in the event of a further decline in oil prices and energy stocks. Another comforting factor is BP's valuation. Shares trade at less than 11 times this year's earnings expectations, which are 3/4 of the way in the books. While growth expectations slow considerably for 2019, with estimates calling for just 4% sales and 2% earnings growth. Bear in mind that we're paying a discount versus the overall market's valuation rather than a premium. When you take out, barring a total collapse in the oil market, this valuation should help buoy shares of BP in the short to even intermediate term. Lastly, on the fundamental front, we have some reaffirmation from management regarding cash flow. Management outlook calls for free cash flow of $14 billion to $15 billion in 2021 from its upstream business. That's a pretty healthy number. So, yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, but BP is looking pretty good if you want to go, if you want to get in on some oil stocks. So that is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want, trading advice, daily news updates. We're going to be talking about so many more things on this channel in regards to trading and investing. Happy investing, everybody.